Hello people, you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. If you're new to this channel, you want to do me a favor and click on the subscribe button. You also want to click on the notification bell so that you will be one of the very first to know when I drop a new video. In today's video, I want to show you how to properly add tags to your video. Now, what do tags do? They help your videos become more visible and more searchable on the YouTube platform. If this sounds to you like something you're interested in, then you want to sit back and watch this video. Okay, you're welcome back to my channel JojoConnect. Like I said, in today's video I will be showing you how to properly add tags to your video. So what I'll be doing today is to show you how to add tags to a video that you are newly uploading to your channel, and also how to edit an existing video on your channel and add tags to the video. So let's start with the first one. When you're uploading a new video, so I'm going to try and upload a video now. So you just go straight to your create right here where you have the video icon with the plus sign. Just click on create and then click on upload video. So just click on select files to upload the video. If you haven't, if you do not know how to really upload videos on YouTube, please click on the card showing right now to be able to learn how to upload videos on YouTube properly. So I'm just going to go ahead now and select the video I want to upload now. Let's say I want to upload this video. Now the video is now uploading. All I just need to do is scroll down to where I have more options. So this is more options. You just have to click on more options here. So let's scroll down. So this is the tag section area. Now the tags you see here are the ones that I customized on my channel. Now this simply means that any video that I upload on my video, these tags will automatically show up on the video. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to delete all these tags and start afresh. Now this is how the tag section will look like. It's going to be blank as this. So now we want to enter the relevant tags for this video which we are about to upload. Now there are two types of tags that I'm going to be explaining, and that's the specific tag and the compound tag. Now the specific tags are words that are specific to the video title you're uploading. For example, here the title is how to call anyone without showing your number. So the specific tags I want to use here would be words such as call, showing, number, and I can use anyone. These are just examples of the specific tags I can use relating to this video. Now you can also use compound tags. Compound tags are sentences relating to the video you want to upload. For example, I can use compound tags such as how to call anyone without showing number. How to call anyone without showing number. You can come up with other compound tags, sentences such as call without showing caller ID. Call without showing caller ID. Now these are just examples of compound tags that you can use to go in line with the video you're uploading. Now there's this feature that I have on my channel, and that's the vidIQ and the two-body extension, which I installed on my channel. What these extensions do is to help you suggest recommended tags. For example, this is vidIQ. vidIQ is recommending these 3 tags for me, but as you can see, these tags are not related to the video I'm uploading. So I'm going to refresh these tags now and see if it will suggest any relevant tag. Okay, so I like this one, the call, and then prank call. Let's use it as well. Okay, so let's go down to TubeBuddy and see if TubeBuddy is suggesting any recommended tag for us. Okay, yes, TubeBuddy says we can use this one, unknown number, hide caller ID, and the last one, call anyone without showing your number. So these are the 3 recommended tags from TubeBuddy as well. Now, why I have only 3 recommended tags is because I'm using the free version of both the vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So if you have the paid version, you will definitely have more recommended tags for you to use. Now, another thing with using TubeBuddy is the fact that I can go to other channels to copy their tags and paste it on my video. So let's go to another channel. We're going to look for a video that is related to what we want to upload. So we can go ahead and search for similar videos relating to the topic of the video we want to upload. How to call anyone without showing your number. So let's search for this. Okay, these are suggested similar videos relating to the video we want to upload. What we want to do is just let's click on this one. Okay, so if you scroll down a bit, you will notice that these are the tags that this channel has used for their video, which relates to our own video that we are about to upload. So what you just have to do is to click on this copy tags here, and then click copy to clipboard here. So I have copied the tags to my clipboard. Now this function is only possible when you have the TubeBuddy extension installed on your channel. So we're going to go back to our own channel now and add the tags to the video we are uploading. So I'll just click Ctrl V. So as you can see, the tags have now been added up to my channel, and it's way more than 500. You only need 500 words, so you can just remove some of the ones you don't like and leave those ones you like, and then that would make it up to 500. So this is how you can actually get good tags for your video to make your video more visible and more searchable on the YouTube platform. So the next area that I want to deal with as regards tags is situations where you want to edit tags on an existing video you already uploaded. So what you want to do is, let's go to channel. So what you want to do here is to click on manage videos. So when you get to this page, you want to just pick the video you want to edit the tag. So let's assume we want to edit the tag for this video. Just click on this pencil icon here. So just scroll down a bit. Okay, so these were the tags we used originally for this video. You can change these tags if you want. You can remove a tag. Let's say we want to remove this tag, so you can just click on the X sign here to remove the tag. You can add more tags as much as you want, as long as it's not more than 500 words. This change has been done, so you see that the save button here has been highlighted blue. That means you have done something. That means you have edited something on your video, so you can go ahead and click on save. So that's it. This is how you go about editing tags on an existing video. I trust you've learned something today. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and also like this video, because I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.